Taking a wonderful look outside right now. How pretty is the sky? But I hope you drank in the sunny, clear skies we had all day today because, as you know by now, we're in for another blizzard tomorrow. Mike, I can't take it. Is this going to be as crazy as the last one? Come on.
I mean, this is worse than the last one. The last one was not a blizzard, by the way. We didn't have a wind component. This go-around, though, we have the wind, and that's why we have blizzard warnings, going into effect as we head towards tomorrow. It's 45 in Midtown, 39 on the wind chill, and a northwesterly wind at 10, so the proverbial calm before the storm. This has been the big showstopper today. Blizzard warnings now being expanded to the north and west, and it has a certain criteria when you talk blizzards. Winds over 35 miles per hour for over 3 hours, half-mile, quarter-mile visibility, and blowing and drifting snow. Winter storm warnings to the north of that for snowfall over 8 inches as you get into the suburbs by Monday morning, I should say. 45 degrees in the city right now. We're clear on radar and satellite, but we're starting to watch the two players that's going to create our storm coming into the picture. One out over the Ohio Valley, one across the southeast, and then eventually we will get some snow and rain showers to go to work during the morning hours on Sunday. I think it's still going to be just wet snow coming down right up until around 7 o'clock. And after 7 o'clock, everybody starts to get into accumulating snow. It's a snow band that sets up, a ferocious snow band from the Connecticut River Valley back through the city and then down towards the Jersey Shore. That's when we're going to get into our big-time snowfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour. That's going to drop a tremendous amount of snow. And this storm hangs around at least until 10, 11 o'clock Monday morning before it starts to limp off the coast. As mentioned, the winds are going to be a big problem with this. We could see some wind gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour out onto the island, down to the Jersey Shore. Even in the city, we could clock 40 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts. All said and done, 12 to 20 inches of snow. We have now pulled this back a little bit to the west, so this will go right up around Tenafly, back through the Old Bridge area and all the way down towards Monmouth and Ocean counties. Isolated 20-inch amounts are certainly possible on the island. That's where you'll be in prolonged periods of snow. And then the further north and west you go, it starts to taper down a little bit and then dramatically as you get into the mid-Hudson Valley, where it could be only around 4 to 8 inches of snow. 36 in town, a wintry mix by dawn. As we head towards tomorrow, 34, we'll have some low 30s in the outer suburbs. Blizzard warnings stay in play until at least Monday. Temperatures into the 30s. Different kind of story this go around. Once the snow is out of here, temperatures are going to get into the 40s and maybe pushing 50 by next weekend. So a lot of thawing and melting this go around versus the last time, Heidi, where it was really cold following that snow event.